Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video. On the NOTCOIN, want us to do a full update for today. Yesterday in general, I mean, I have to be bearish on NOT. All right. I mean, if you look at the situation right now, you can already see that if you look at this chart, it is bearish. All right. Now, what you can say, and we'll talk about that in a moment, but what you can say is that we're forming some sort of a formation like this, and that therefore some sort of a bullish breakout is actually to be expected at some point of time. And I agree with that. But this formation can actually turn into something like this as well. And if that happens, that means that we still, from the current price, have a drop of about 30% left. All right, so at this moment, we're just trending down. We're getting bearish confirmations. Yesterday we talked about that. Yesterday in the morning, what I said is that, all right, well, it's most likely now, because of all the bearish confirmations we had, and because of the last major breakdown we had, so that was the breakout below 1.75 cents, it's most likely will drop down to the next main support level, which we now have also hit, at around 1.5 cents. And I do think that level is actually quite interesting, because 1.5 cents is a strong psychological and technical support level. And then it's also supported by the 0.618 FIB. I believe that it was also at 1.45 cents, so 0.0145. I believe there was also some sort of a wick there when the price just launched. So this is a strong support level. But the problem is that we are still not really, I mean, you could say that like from the support level, we actually got a significant reaction, right? So we're actually finding some support from there. That's great. And we still have some support left down there because we only touched 1.5 cents and we haven't even touched 1.45 cents, which technically is also support. But the thing is that, all right, fundamentally, and I've said this before, fundamentally, I think NOTCOIN can actually do well. But what it needs is two things, and that's momentum, which if you look at NOTCOIN right now, I would argue it doesn't have any. Here you can see the open interest, and that's basically either flat or it's still dropping down, kind of depending on how you see things. So momentum we don't have. All right, we found a significant support level here. We found a strong key level. It's to be expected that we actually get some sort of buying actions from there. But to actually turn bullish, you need to get momentum to get a bullish breakout. All right, because right now the last major bearish breakout we had was right here, below 1.75 or 1.7 cents. And sure, we're moving towards that right now. I think it's quite likely we'll hit that again. But to actually break above that, the current price action is not strong enough. All right, so for now, what I think is most likely is that, sure, like I said, we might touch that level, but I see no reason why we would break above that. If we all of a sudden gain a lot of momentum, then we can break above that, and then all of a sudden we can be bullish. But you have to be realistic and say, all right, well, is there a chance that we do that or not? And at this moment, I don't think that chance is there. Unfortunately, I think it's most likely that we'll just find resistance there, get a bearish confirmation, and drop back down into 1.5 and 1.45 cents, which I do think that level will hold. So for now, I don't expect a further drop down into 1.25 cents, which would be the next support level. So that's relatively good. So if we can consolidate down here, then eventually from that consolidation, we can get a breakout and a rally. But I do also want to stress that we have some major news for Bitcoin coming today. Bitcoin is going to be volatile. If Bitcoin really keeps dropping like it has done in the last couple of days and in the last week, then I'm not sure if this level is going to hold. So for now, this is what I expect, but it is dependent slightly on the market circumstances. But those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.